Hello guys, bago natin pag-usapan ang 40 books about trading ay please subscribe to my channel at don't forget to press the bell button para palagi kayo updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. So ngayon pag-usapan na natin yung 40 books about trading. So number 1, so we have Mindset Secrets for Winning. How to Bring Personal Power to Everything You Do by Mark Minervini. So si Mark Minervini, sikat to guys about book sa trading or stock market. So ito yung ating first book for stock market. Then yung pangalawa is Elliott Wave Principle by Frost and Prechter. So, syempre guys, si Elliott Wave Principle is for advanced trader na to guys. So, better to read this pagka meron na tayong mga basic ideas about stock market or trading guys. Ayan. Then yung pangalawa or yung pangatlo guys is How Charts Can Help You in the Stock Market. Ayan. By William L. Giller. Ayan. Paano daw ba guys yung mga chart ay nakakatulong sa ating pagtitrade, especially sa stock market. So ayan, good to buy rin to. Then yung pang-apat guys is Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. So ano na to guys? Second edition na by Thomas and Bulkowski. So ito guys, maganda pag-aralan to kung tayo ay more on chart analysis or especially kung tayo ay mahilig sa mga mga chart patterns. Ayan. So number 5, ayan, national bestseller with a new preface and afterword, Market Wizards interviews with top traders, Jack D. Squager. Ayan. So kayo na bahalang misspell guys. Ayan. Jack D. Squager. So yung number 6, ayan. So kung mapapansin natin guys, puro Wiley siya, no? Wiley Trading Series. Ayan. So marami tayong choices kung ano yung gusto nating basahin. So actually guys, yung mga book na to is around 1,000 pesos mahigit, medyo pricey, pero worth it naman kung bibilin natin tapos babasahin natin. Ayan. For number 6, we have study guide for the new trading for a living. So syempre ito guys for newbies, especially sa stock market, kung wala ka pang idea about stock market. So by Dr. Alexander Elder. For number 7, we have national bestseller, over 2 million copies sold. So ito guys, madalas ko itong makita sa National Bookstore, no? How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. A winning system in good times or bad. So syempre, sa stock market or sa trading, hindi palaging panalo, no? Pero ang karaniwan guys is talo. That's why almost lahat ng mga traders is in losing streak. Okay, kaya nga guys, meron tayong tinatawag na cut loss para ma-manage natin yung risk kung hindi sa atin papanig yung market. Ayan. So ito, good to buy ito, no? Si William J. O'Neill, How to Make Money in Stocks. For number 8, kung ikaw ay mahilig sa technical analysis, so good to. The Handbook of Technical Analysis by Mark Andrelin. The Practitioner's Comprehensive Guide to Technical Analysis. So ito guys, for detailed analysis for technicals. Ayan guys. Number 9, Insider Buy Super Stocks by Jesse C. Steen. Ayan. The super loss of how turned $46K into $6.8 million. So medyo ano to, no? Medyo hype to guys, yung ano to. Book na to sa may kanyang title. Ayan. Pero good to buy rin to. At pwede nating bilhin to, no? Ayan. So for number 10, we have investing in your 20s and 30s. So ano ba talaga guys? Ano ba talaga ang tamang edad para mag-invest, especially sa stock market? So syempre, mas early mas maganda. Ayan nga. Kaya ang sinabi dyan, in your 20s and 30s. So hanggat maaga, pwede pa tayong or pwede na tayong magsimula. So ito guys, by Eric Tyson. So MBA. Ayan. Number 11, investing all in one. So syempre hindi lang sa stock market yung kino-consider dito sa book na to, no? So by Eric Tyson. Number 12, so Trader University. Ayan. Learn to trade momentum stocks. So especially guys sa mga breakout to, no? Pwede kung tayo ay momentum trader. So pwede natin itong basahin para mas ma-equip pa yung knowledge natin about momentum stocks. So syempre yung author na to is si Matthew R. Crowther. Ayan. Number 13, so si Jack D. Swagger na naman. The New Market Wizards. Conversations with America's Top Traders. So si Mr. Jack ay ano to guys, galing sa Amerika. Kaya yung kanyang book na Market Wizards, marami siyang revised edition na. So syempre sikat to, kaya marami siyang ni-revise na edition na Market Wizards. So ito yung isa sa mga kay revised edition niya, ng book niya. Number 14, so bakit natin sinama to? Real estate investing for dummies. So syempre sa stock market meron ding about real estate na mga stocks doon, through this, okay, pwede tayong matuto to make real estate part of your investing plan. So, to build wealth in any market, so syempre sa stock market. Find and evaluate properties with maximum potential. And last, understand financing options. So, by Eric Tyson ulit and Robert S. Griswold. Number 15. So, ito guys, nakita ko to sa Fully Book, sa MOA. At meron din na to sa Gateway Cubao. Ayan. The Complete Turtle Trader. So, by Michael W. Cobell. How 23 novice investors became overnight millionaires. So, ito guys, yung book na to is about investing sa stock market. Hindi siya for a trader. So, for investor to guys, yung book na to. Number 16, so Trading Price Action Trends by Al Brooks. Ayan. So, how to use the price action to trade. Ayan. By Al Brooks. Number 17, so second edition, Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom by Van K. Tarp. Number 18, so Fundamental Analysis for Dummies. So, syempre, di naman lahat guys is trader. So kung tayo ay investor, dapat maalam tayo sa fundamental analysis. So good to buy ito kung gusto natin maging investor. Ayan. By Matt Krantz. Number 19, The Neatest Little Guide to Stock Market Investing by Jason Kelly. Number 20, so syempre kung swing trader tayo, okay, so tumitingin tayo dito guys, pag swing trader sa hourly chart, din sa sa daily chart. So, ito guys yung kabing-kabing book sa atin. Ano? The Master Swing Trader by Alan S. Farley. Number 21. So, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Number 22. Beyond Candlesticks by Steve Nissen. 23. Street Smarts by Lawrence A. Connors and Linda Bradford Rush. Ayan. So, medyo mahirap is basahin yung kanyang pangalan. 24. So, eto guys, for advanced trader na to. So, pwede na din siyang gamitin for mga newbies. Fibonacci Trading by Borodin. Ayan. Caroline Borodin. Number 25. So, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John Murphy. 26. Trading Mentors by Philip Teo. So, si number 27, guys, so si Mark Minervini ulit. Think and Trade Like a Champion. So, sikat na book to about sa stock market, no? So, syempre, about sa trading. Ayan. So, ito, to guys. Good to buy ito. 28. So, may Momentum Masters. So, siya ulit. Minervini, David Ryan, Dan Zanger, and Mark Ritchie too. Number 29. How to Trade in Stocks. So, by Jesse Livermore. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. So, eto guys, no? Ayaw niya guys sa cryptocurrency. Okay. So, palagi siya nagtutweet sa Twitter ng against sa Bitcoin. Next natin, 31. So, Trading Psychology by Brett and Steenbarger. So, Wiley ulit, Puro Wiley trading series to, guys. One Good Trade by Mike Bellafiore. 33. Trading Price Action Reversals by Al Brooks ulit. 34. The Art and Science of Technical Analysis by Adam Grimes. 35. A Complete Guide to Volume Price Analysis by Anna Cowling. Number 36. The Stock Market Trading Secrets of the Late. Ayan. So, by Jesse Livermore. So, si Jesse Livermore, guys, isa sa mga sikat to, about sa stock market. So, eto, guys, is good to buy. Si number 36. 37. The New Trading for a Living by Dr. Alexander Elder. 38. Insider Buy Superstock. So, parang naulit guys, no? 39. How I made $2 million in the stock market. Ayan. By Darbas. Ayun pala yung author sa taas. And yung last guys, ito yung pinakasikat sa stock market. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Preface and Appendix by Warren E. Buffett. So, si Benjamin Graham, guys, siya yung teacher ni Warren Buffett. Ayan. So, ito guys, is good to buy, especially sa mga investor. So, marami tayong matututunan dito, especially yung mga ginagamit natin about fundamental analysis. Especially yung Graham number. So, yun lang guys. Yun yung 40 books about stock market. Then, kung itatanong natin, saan kaya ito mabibili? So, let's see. So, yung number 1 natin, kung tayo ay taga Manila, so, pwede tayong pumunta sa mga bookstore, especially sa fully book. So dito guys, pwede tayong umorder ng about sa mga book sa stock market na nabanggit natin. Ayan, fully book. Then yung pangalawa is National Bookstore, no? Kung meron doon, edi okay. Then yung number 3, so Aklatan Online Bookshop. Ayan. So lahat ng nabanggit natin is pwedeng ma-order dito guys sa Aklatan Online Bookshop. So yung price list guys, ayun nga, kasi sinabi na natin, per book is around more than 1,000 pesos, no? And, or nasa 1,500 pesos. Ayun. So yun lang guys. Paki-comment guys yung mga book na nais nyong i-recognize or nais nyong i-recommend sa mga baguhan na gusto mag-invest sa stock market or gusto mag-trade sa stock market. So comment down guys sa comment section para malaman natin kung ano yung magagandang book about stock market. So happy watching at see you sa next video.